Today is a very exciting day, and I'm very excited because I finally got a new haircut. And I also got a new monitor. Gonna open it up. I hope this is the right side when I open it up because I hate it so much when it's the other side of the box when I open up the package. It's just a hassle, especially with sneakers and stuff like that. So we'll see. I think it is the right side up, guys. I think it's the right side up. I'm not so sure. No, it's the wrong side up. Front here. So it's the wrong side up. Oh God. So there it is. I'm a little out of breath because I've been working out just a few minutes ago. Now I'm gonna open this up. I guess I have to take this out like this. And it's a sleeve type. Oh. That looks very nice. What else do we have here? It says, careful not to push on the screen when taking the set out from the package. So don't let your cat or dog sit on this when you're unpacking. Under here, whoops, adapter. It's quite big. It's quite a big adapter. This is, I'm guessing, the stand that we'll assemble later. Also part of the stand. That is an adapter plug. I'm assuming this is like an installation CD, which I don't even know what to do with because I don't have a CD player or display quality assurance report. I'll trust them because they have a lot of graphs and numbers and stuff with Japanese and Korean writing. So I trust them. So here's officially what's included in the box. We have the monitor, some warranty papers and instructions, paperwork stuff, the stand, part of the stand. We have the adapter cable. We have the HDMI. We also have some clip looking things. Oh, I'm assuming this goes here to secure your cable more neatly. This is another HDMI. There's two different cables. I thought this was the HDMI, but this is the HDMI. There's another one here, which I'm not sure what it is. Someone can comment below and educate me. We have the USB-C or the Thunderbolt cable. And that's a shame because I thought they weren't going to include the Thunderbolt cable, so I ordered an extra Thunderbolt cable from Belkin just in case. Oh well. Maybe I'll return it, or maybe I'll just use it just because it's from Belkin. I almost forgot. Also, the adapter, which is huge. Actually, it's the size of my hand, almost. So I'm gonna now assemble this, and I'm gonna use my Tag Heuer Supreme stopwatch and see how long it actually takes to assemble. So here we go. In one of my previous videos, I unboxed this stopwatch and everybody told me that it was a waste of money and it's gonna be useless, but as you can see, I'm making a good use out of this. So here we go. I just knocked my camera to the floor, but that's okay. Time's ticking. Time is money. Money is time. Sorry, my alarm just went off, so we lost at least 10 seconds because I had to turn the alarm off. Okay guys, 1 minute and 52 seconds, give or take, with all the distractions that happened. So I'm gonna say it took around 1 minute and 30 seconds to assemble. So it's supposed to be fairly easy to turn these around. This turns, nothing locks, or you don't have to unlock anything. You just turn it. It feels fairly sturdy. It doesn't lock into anything, which I'm not sure. I'll probably get used to it, but I just wish it would lock into the neutral position. Otherwise, you have to just sort of measure it with your eyes to see where it's horizontal, like perfectly. If you're an OCD, that might be an issue, but the height is also adjustable. That's it. That's about it. Nothing. Again, no locking system or anything. This is the tallest it goes, which is fine with me. And then this is the lowest that will go. I'll probably use it like this because my desk is a double tier desk, and this should turn, or does it not? This is the 90-degree tilted version, and mind you that it doesn't turn at 360. There's a limit here. It doesn't go any further than this, although you can turn it back this way, like that. And it also doesn't turn the other way, anti-clockwise. It stops here. You have to turn it clockwise, like this, until it reaches 90 degrees here, like this, which I'm not complaining about. I don't have an issue with that. So you can use it as a second screen. I like it.